Last night there was a conference arranged by ERA, European Rental Association, on the topic digitalization in the construction rental business. And presenter was Martin Holmgren, our fleet manager, and in the panel we also had Leif Gustafsson, our CEO. And Martin, you gave the presentation from Cramo, and what did it contain and how was it received?
Yeah, the question was how do we driving the sharing economy by digital development? And it was, I hope it was well perceived, first of all. I think there was good discussions afterwards, a lot of questions. But the presentation contained mostly about how we in Cramo see the sharing economy, which is the rental concept, how we can further develop that with the new technologies and with connected fleet and with also new user interfaces and so. So that was, and also touching a lot about how we need to drive our culture in the company and continue the journey we have started with becoming more innovative and using offset time for ourselves and for all employees to actually come up with good innovations and use that in our development work.
And how do you think that the digitalization is doing in our business? I mean, is it an advanced business when it comes to digitalization?
No, it's not if you compare to many other industries. We are always ranked as one of the industries which are far behind the others. But I think it's not so interesting to see where we are today. I think the more interesting to understand that it's a lot of movements going on right now in the industry. The manufacturers are investing heavily into new technologies. We as rental companies, we are also investing a lot how to do the rental business in a new way based on new technologies. And also there is a lot of both specialized companies investing, but also new startups coming and trying to do rental in a new way. So I would say that we are probably an industry with the biggest movement right now, but our position has not maybe come to the level that other industry has. But a very exciting time for us.
And being there was a lot of discussions going on, and one question that came from the audience was how our customers, how they adapt to the digitalization process and what we are launching now in terms of services. What would you say about that?
I think the most advanced customers, they are sharing the same view as Cramo in the way we want to drive innovation. It has to start from development which maybe not always is ready and very advanced from day one, but together with customers and Cramo we can create from that smaller development that you often need to start with. From there we develop very much more advanced features, putting more functionality into it. And as I say, our customers are very open to do that together with us, to actually sharing this knowledge and do it with the same purpose. And that it's new from 1 or 2 years back that day. So I would say we have very good customers to continue develop this with.
So how would you say that Cramo compares to the rest of the business when it comes to digitalization?
I think Cramo has a good way of looking at digitalization, and the whole industry all started from a machine point of view or a rental equipment point of view, trying to answer the questions like how do we make our equipment digital, how do we connect our fleet, how do we improve our operation with the fleet. I think Cramo is taking a bit another standpoint there, and another view is more that how do we help our customer to become more productive, create more safer work environment, and how can we help them to become efficient in the work with the help of digital tools that we can provide and that we have developed in collaboration with the customer. So I would say I think we have the right starting point to actually succeed here. It's not, I'm not saying it's less important with the fleet and connecting everything. That we must do as well. But I think we need to manage all perspective in parallel here. Both our internal way of working, which will be improved a lot with the digital tools, but also doing development in collaboration with customer, because that's where we will find the biggest customer values in the end.
Good. And from the discussions going on at the panel and from the conference, what do you take with you from the conference?
I think sharing is a word that is used. Openness, transparency, collaboration, work together. And I think that is very well reflected also in Cramo's strategy, in the people strategy, how we want to involve all the employees in the company taking part of this journey. Innovation starts from everyone. It's not something starting in a development lab or something. It starts from everyone. Everyone can be part of the innovation, and everyone should be part of the innovation to share this. So, and that I think is the strength with Cramo now. We have it in the people strategy.
That's great to hear. Thanks a lot for talking to us.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.